This is question number 23 from again paper 2H, and here they have given a frustum. What is frustum? Frustum is this particular part. Imagine from a cone you are cutting the upper part, which is again a small cone, but the cutting is done so that this one is parallel to this, so this is called a frustum. Okay, now what are the information given? The original cone 15 height, the original radius is 6 centimeter. Okay, so now I can find the volume of the original cone. Now for the cone that is cut out, they are telling that the radius is x and the height is missing. Okay, and then what is the extra information they have given? That the volume of the frustum, volume of this one. How can I find volume of frustum? Volume of frustum will be volume of the big cone minus volume of the small cone. Volume of the big cone I can easily find. So let me write down. Frustum volume will be equal to volume of big minus volume of small. Okay. Now volume of big is how much? It is 1 over 3 pi r square h. You can use this formula. Formula will be given to you 1 by 3 pi. Just leave it in terms of pi. Okay. R square will be 6 square times 15. And simplify that. I think you'll get something like, I'm getting it as 180 pi. Okay. Now for finding the volume of the small cone, the height is missing. Remember, this particular height is missing. Let me name it as small h. Okay. And then we will use the concept of similarity to find this particular h, because we know that the small cone and the big cone are similar. So even their heights, ratio of heights and radius should also be same. So since I want to find h, I will write h over 15. That means the ratio of the heights of the small cone to big cone should be the same as x over 6. Okay. You can even write it as h over x is equal to 15 over 6 also. That is also fine. Which will give me h as 15x over 6. In simplified form, it will be 5 over 2x. Hope this is clear till now. And now we will use this particular thing to find the volume of the small cone. So volume of the small cone will be again 1 by 3 pi r square h. I will substitute the values 1 by 3 pi. R is nothing but x and h is nothing but 5 over 2x. So x square r square, so x square, so 5 over 2x. On simplification, this will give me 5 over 6 pi x cube. Hope that is clear. Just go back and check. Okay, 5 over 6 pi is pi x cube, because x square and then x. Okay, now what have they given? The volume of the frustum is given as this much. So volume of big minus volume of small is equal to this. So let's just substitute them. 180 pi minus 5 over 6 pi x cube equals to 4212 over 25 pi. Okay. Now an easy thing is, here if you see, pi is a common factor for all the terms. So I will cancel pi, pi and pi. And then I will move the 180 to the other side. And then what will I get? I'm just changing the color and writing here. Okay. I'm having negative 5 over 6x cube. Now that pi is cancelled. 4212 over 25 minus 180. Hope this part is clear. So that on simplification will give me, let me check in my calculator, divide by 25 minus. So I got this answer as negative 11.52. Sorry, I'm not having the actual calculator, so I'm using my phone. And then you have x cube equals negative 11.52 divided by negative 5 over 6. Okay, put it carefully and you will get that answer as 13.824. This is what I'm getting. This is x cube. So x will be, remember, cube root of 13.824, and I'm getting my answer as 2.4. This is my final answer. This is what they were asking you to find. Okay. Hope everything is clear. Otherwise, you can just watch the video again.